What's going on? This is Markie Williams. Welcome to my channel, Online Certification Courses. This is a channel where you can learn a new skill set or brush up on an old one. Continuous education and improvement should always be a priority if you want to stay current in your field of work and plus get paid your worth. Enjoy the tutorial. All the links will be down in the description below. Please make sure you like if this tutorial was informative. Please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any training courses you may want to pick up. Comment below as what you'd like to get certified in, and I can send you a link personally to check out. So let's get started. To all the professional therapists, healers that are out there, you can add this highly sought after technique to your accolades and get paid your worth when it comes to certification in sound therapy and sound healing. With this fully accredited professional sound healing, sound therapy certificate, this will enable you to help yourself and others when it comes to Reiki, spiritual healing, quantum healing, the use of tuner forks, and much more. So let's go ahead and break down what this course has to offer. Through this online course, you will learn about using various sound therapy, sound healing, music therapy tools for healing the body, mind, soul, kundalini, and chakras. With the help of the singing bowls, sound bath, shamanic drums, and more, you will also learn how to be able to use crystal energy for crystal healing through crystal singing bowls. Along with the introduction, you will also get the psychology of the sound therapy and sound healing in these lectures. When it comes to chakras and music therapy chapters, there will be 8 lectures that will cover some of the healing through sound therapy techniques such as solar plexus chakra, third eye chakra, crown chakra, and root chakra. When it comes to using the right instruments in sound therapy and sound healing, there will be many instruments that can be used and applied in someone's session, so there will be 15 lectures and it will cover the introduction and psychology of sound therapy and sound healing, along with selecting the right instrument, along with assembling a set of instruments. As I have mentioned, the 15 lectures will cover many different types of instruments that can be used in this session, and just to name a few such as Tibetan bowl, jar harp, Balinese bell, shamanic drum, and crystal bowl. There will also be a chapter on different types of sound healing and therapy techniques you can use, such as plants, adults, and children. You will learn how to conduct individual sessions along with the group sessions as well. At the end of the course, it will finish off with the professional, ethical, and legal issues. It will go over the how to conduct confidentiality when it comes to your client's information and professional competence and due care. Many thanks for taking some time to check my tutorial out. All the links will be in the description below. Please subscribe so you don't miss out on any training certification courses you may want to pick up. Comment below done and I will reply back. You can check me out on Facebook under Markie Williams, and I also have an online certification page where you can like and follow as well. Please make sure you check out these certification courses as well floating around right here. And always remember to get paid your worth. Many thanks. It's Markie Williams and I'm out.